Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2023 video tutorial. Another basic exercise from revolve and a circular pattern. Very easy to do, so let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. And I need a profile which looks something like this. And close. Okay, add a dimension and maybe first change this into a center line. Okay, and now scale it with the first dimension. Let's do it with this one, and this should be 14. Okay, next dimension should be this one. That would be 24. Next one would be that one here. This should be 28. And this one should be 40. And the last one should be 80. Now for the other dimensions. So in this case I've made it to the midpoint. That's not okay. This happened by accident, so just make sure you dimension the line and not that point. That would be 14. Okay. Then this distance should be 10. That distance here should be 30. This one should be 72. And that one should be 95. And the last one should be 107. Looks good. One last constraint. This point on that point coincident, and the sketch is fully defined. Finish that sketch. It's still selected and it's the only available one, so go for a revolve. Make it 360 degree and confirm. Now for my holes and pattern I want to use a sketch for the point, and I will do that one on the XZ plane. Cut the graphics. Please note that's horizontal, that's vertical. I want to have a point, make sure it's a midpoint. Place it right there, then align it, in this case horizontal. And add a dimension of 30. Finish that sketch. Go for a hole. It should go through all, yes. It should be 11 mm in diameter. Looks okay, and confirm. And then make a circular pattern with that feature, that hole. And the rotation axis should be the y-axis, yes, and I want to have 4 instances, and the angle should be 360 degrees, and I'm done. So hope you liked it, hope it was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, would really help. You could follow me also on Facebook, Instagram, and GrabCat, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.